Hey, this is Janip's tutorial. In my last video, which is video 6, I have already discussed about the function in C program, how to define a function, how to write the prototype, and how to implement a user-defined function using C program. I have already discussed it, but in this section, I'm going to discuss what is actual and formal parameter used in function. So what is a parameter? I have already discussed in my previous video what is parameter. A parameter is you can say it is a variable which is passed through a function. Like when we write int integer type of data and the variable name, the function name is abc, and I am going to pass parameters like integer a comma integer b. abc is a user defined function. This is the function type, this is the function name, and these are the parameters. A and b are the parameters or the arguments. So we have to differentiate between actual and formal parameter. What is actual parameter and what is formal parameter? So in a C program, what are the actual parameters and what are the formal parameters? So I'm going to open the program I have written in my last video, which is named as function.c. This is my program which I have written and discussed in my previous video. So I'm going to show you what are the actual parameter and what is the formal parameter. So what is formal parameter? Formal parameter is written in the function prototype. The formal parameters are written in the function prototype. We know this is a parameter and this is a parameter, but what type of parameter are these, actual or formal? If we have to distinguish between actual and formal parameter, then we must identify this is a formal parameter, because the formal parameters are always written in the function prototype. So formal parameter, we can write like this: a formal parameter is a variable and its type as they appear in the prototype of the function or the method. So this is formal parameter. Now if we have to find the actual parameter, what are the actual parameters in this program? Actual parameters are the variables or the expressions corresponding to a formal parameter that appears in the function or method call in the calling environment. So what will be our which is the statement for the call function? Then this is the function call statement. This is the function call statement. This statement is known as the function call. So whatever you pass through this function call, whatever you pass through this multiply function in the function call statement, this is the actual argument. So actual argument are the values or the variables to a formal parameter that appears in the function or method call in the calling environment. So this is the differentiation between the actual parameter and the formal parameter in a C programming. So I hope you understand it. Thank you. Please, if you like it, then please share, like and subscribe.